Hey there, friends. Have you ever heard a thud against your window and rushed over only to find a feathered friend has taken a tumble? Well, you're not alone. It's a widespread issue that many bird lovers face. Today, we're tackling this head-on, so stick around and let's make our windows safer for our winged neighbors together. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, why do birds crash into windows? It's all about reflections. Windows can mirror the sky or surrounding foliage, tricking birds into thinking they can fly through. This isn't just a small problem. It's estimated that in the United States alone, up to 1 billion birds die each year from window collisions. That's right, 1 billion. A statistic that's as startling as it is heartbreaking, highlighted by the American Bird Conservancy. So here's what you can do to stop it at your end. Step 1. Measure your windows. Take your measuring tape and get the height and width of your windows. Knowing the size will help you determine how much material you need to cover them effectively. Step 2. Apply decals or tape. Bird-safe decals are a great start. Studies, like the one from the Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center, have found these can significantly reduce collisions. Place them no more than 2 inches apart vertically and 4 inches apart horizontally. This spacing makes it difficult for birds to try and fly through. Step 3. Consider UV reflective liquid. If you want a less visible option, there's a special liquid that you can apply to your windows that's ultraviolet reflective. Birds can see it, but it's almost invisible to us. Handy, right? Step 4. Install netting or screens. Another effective tactic is installing netting or screens outside your windows. These create a physical barrier and cushion for birds, which Cornell Lab of Ornithology research has shown to be quite effective. Step 5. Use a soap marker or highlighter. For a DIY solution, grab a soap marker or a non-permanent highlighter. Draw closely spaced lines on the outside of your windows. This method, although temporary, can be a quick fix and has been suggested by several bird conservation groups as an immediate measure. Step 6. Maintain and monitor. Once you've applied your chosen bird deterrent, keep an eye on your windows. Maintenance is key. If you notice birds are still colliding with certain areas, you may need to adjust your approach. Remember, the goal is to make your windows visible to birds without disrupting your view too much. Now that we've covered how to stop birds from flying into windows, take a moment to consider our feathered friends and the simple changes we can make to protect them. Your actions can make a big difference. And hey, if you found any of these tips helpful, remember to subscribe for more content, share this video to spread awareness, and drop a comment below with your own experiences or questions. Your feedback is what keeps these videos coming. Thank you for joining me today. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a bird protector in your own backyard. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and together, let's keep our skies safe and our windows clear. Until next time, friends.